Best deals.
1. Basket. Boasts a space-saving design. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Carrot sharpener. Can be used not only to peel your vegetables but also to cut them into paper-thin slices that you can then cook or use to throw together a healthy raw veggie salad within just a few minutes. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Silicone trivet mats. Provides a non-slip surface for your precious cookware, crockery and other items. Prevents them from slipping from the table. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Garlic press. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this garlic press is resistant to rust and corrosion. The seamless design is exceptionally easy to clean. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Shredder. Push the vegetables that need to be shredded into the round hole to cut into shred or thin strips. Suitable for shredded green onions, celery, peppers, green peppers, red peppers, beans. Perfect for homes, kitchens, restaurants, canteens. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Ice cube molds. Twist the ice cube tray with both hands, then the ice cubes are each individually separated. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Organizer. Can easily rotate 360 degrees with stainless steel ball bearings in the bottom tray. Easy to reach the spice bottle. This size makes it perfect not only for your kitchen, but also for pantry, cabinets and bedroom. Transparent plastic wall allows you to easily view contents and make your kitchen neater and easier. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Cookie presser. Feature different designs that are suitable for decorating your baked goodies, suitable and safe for making moon cake, dessert, pastry, cake. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Garlic press. Unique twisting action makes crushing easier. Each masher a hand and finely polished, which makes it more beautiful. It's stylish and attractive, suits any kitchen settings. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Silicone freezer tray. Freezing food preserves freshness and extends shelf life. Enjoy a delicious homemade meal without having to cook or reheat a whole pot again. Made with food-grade silicone reinforced with a frame on the top for extra stability. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Watermelon popsicle cutter. Besides being the perfect choice for watermelon, ice cream-shaped slicer can also be used as a sandwich cutter, cookie cutter, fruit cutter, and more. Cookie cutters are sharp enough to slice through fruits and baked treats. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Knife. Has anti-corrosion coating with colorful design and non-slip soft touch handle. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Microwave cover. With handle design allows for easy picking up and placing of the cover in the microwave, making it convenient for you during the heating and cooking process. The handle is insulated, no need to worry about getting burned. Cover with a dome design avoids contact with foods, perfect instead of cling wrap. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Oil filter bag. Each filter cone effectively handles up to 30 liters of cooking oil, making it ideal for high-volume kitchens, restaurants, and cafes. Includes 5 high-quality filter cones and 1 durable stainless steel stand for secure and efficient filtration. Filters out food particles, carbonized debris, and impurities, ensuring cleaner, better-tasting oil for reuse. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Oven mitts. Crafted with high-quality silicone that provides excellent resistance to heat, protecting your hands from burns while cooking or baking. The reliable heat protection makes them ideal for handling hot cookware, baking trays, and oven racks. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Pump dispenser. Crafted from high-quality plastic. This dispenser is built to withstand daily use and retain its vibrant colors. The pump mechanism allows for effortless refilling of your preferred liquid soap or detergent. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Trivets mats. These silicone pot holders will protect your skin from burns, save your counters, and look fantastic in your kitchen. Non-stick, food-grade silicone, no peculiar smell, has the function of heat insulation efficiency. Can withstand heat up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. Can be used in an oven, freezer, microwave. Can be bent, twist, pinch, no trace and distort. Can be used as silicone mat, hot pot holders, drying mat, jar opener, spoon rest, trivet, garlic peeler and coaster. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Paper cake cup. The designs and patterns are exclusive and would be perfect for any theme party. They are ideal for cupcakes, muffin, cheesecake, dips and sauces, and you could even use them as return gifts. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Tea infuser. Designed to meet all your brewing needs for years to come. Large enough to prepare a full pot of tea, it easily fits standard teapots, teacups, mugs, and travel mugs. The wide, two-handled design is easy to hold. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Trivet coaster. Round and square insulated placemat. The cute pattern groove design is safer and can protect your hands from any hot objects. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Pizza cutter. The ergonomic non-slip handle fits perfectly your hand, and finger protective guard will provide you with safety. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Chopper. This cordless vegetable chopper can chop, mince, puree, and whisk with its stainless steel blades, making it perfect for various cooking tasks. It features a 400 ml glass bowl and comes with 3200 ml mini bowls with a mini chopping blade, making it convenient for small chopping jobs. The one-touch operation and anti-skid pad ensure effortless and safe use. The chopper is USB rechargeable, eliminating the need for batteries. It includes a garlic peeler, making the process of peeling garlic cloves quick and easy. Just add your ingredients, secure the lid, and press the on button. Minimize your meal prep stress and enjoy more time with your loved ones. The chopper is lightweight and travel-friendly, fitting seamlessly into your busy lifestyle. You can even take it on the go for picnics or vacations for quick and healthy snacks. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Dish drying mat. Are engineered to absorb moisture quickly and hold it efficiently, keeping your counters spotless. They're also padded to prevent damage to glassware and delicate dishes. After use, simply hang to dry or toss them in the washing machine. Make drying dishes effortless with this 2-pack of microfiber dish drying mats featuring a neutral gray lattice pattern that complements any modern kitchen. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Ice cube trays. With this perfect size and classic shapes, ice cubes are very suitable for cooling your drink quickly and lasting long enough to pour other beverage over it. Balanced design at the bottom prevents leaning for the best possible user experience. Product link is given in the 24th link.